Welcome coders to lecture 1 of section 1. To start coding in Java, first we need to set up our tools, and to do so we need a code editor or an IDE. Now what is an IDE? IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. This term may seem complicated to comprehend, but it isn't. IDE is an environment which has a set of required tools, which might be important while developing programs of all levels of complexity. Some examples of IDE are Visual Studio Code, Sublime Text, Atom, and BlueJ. For our convenience, we'll be using Visual Studio Code throughout the course. To download Visual Studio Code, visit the website code.visualstudio.com. Choose the OS you're running on your system and download that software. Wait till the download starts. I'll be cancelling this download as I already have VS Code installed on my system. Another tool we need to download is JDK, Java Development Kit, which is available easily on the internet. Click on this link and this will redirect you to this page. Download the JDK and you're good to go. Once you've downloaded JDK, install it on your system. Next, open Visual Studio Code. Then click on this icon on the menu pane and search for Java Extension Pack. This extension simply provides support for Java. Click on the Install button. Once the extension has been installed, there will be an option to reload. Then we can begin coding. See you in the next lecture.